How to make an automatic WordPress content generator. Creating content for a WordPress site can be a time-consuming task. However, with the right tools and techniques, you can automate the process of content generation, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your website. This blog post will guide you through the steps needed to create an automatic WordPress content generator, using practical examples and code snippets. Understanding the basics before diving into the specifics of setting up an automatic content generator. It's important to understand what content generation involves. At its core, content generation is the process of producing articles, blog posts, or any other type of content automatically using predefined templates or algorithms. This is especially useful for sites that require frequent updates or for those that want to maintain an active online presence without dedicating excessive time to writing. Selecting the right tools to build an automatic content generator for WordPress. You'll need to choose the right tools. Here are some popular options. WordPress Plugins. There are numerous plugins available that offer content generation features. Examples include WP Robot and Auto Post Scheduler. APIs. Utilizing APIs from content sources can help automate the content creation process. For instance, using news APIs to fetch the latest articles. Custom scripts. Writing your own scripts using languages like Python can help automate content creation tailored to your specific needs. Using WordPress plugins. One of the easiest ways to create an automatic content generator is by using a WordPress plugin. These plugins often come with user-friendly interfaces that require minimal coding knowledge. Here's how to set one up. Install a plugin using WP-CLI WP plugin. Install WP Robot. Activate clipboard copy after installing the plugin. You can configure it to pull content from various sources, such as RSS feeds or social media platforms. Most plugins allow you to set specific keywords, categories, and frequency of content posting. Utilizing APIs for content generation. APIs can serve as a powerful tool for automatically generating content. For example, if you want to pull news articles, you can use a news API. Below is a simple Python script that fetches articles from a news API and posts them to your WordPress site. Import requests from WordPress_XML_RPC import client. WordPress post from WordPress_XML_RPC. Methods. Posts import new post hash configuration API_URL equals https newsapi.org/v2/top-headline single quote API_key equals your_API_key WP_URL equals http://yourdomain.com/xmlrpc.php WP_username equals your_username WP_password equals your_password hash. Fetching news articles response equals requests.get API_URL. Params equals API key. API_key. Country. US. Articles equals response. JSON.get. Articles. Hash posting to WordPress client equals client. WP_URL. WP_username. WP_password. For article in articles. Post equals WordPress post. Post title equals article. Title. Post content equals article. Description. Post terms_names equals post_tag. News. Latest. Category. News. Client. Call. New post. Post. Clipboard copy. This script will fetch the latest news articles and post them to your WordPress site, complete with tags and categories. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual API key and WordPress credentials. Customizing your content generator. Once you have the basics in place, you can customize your content generator further. Consider the following enhancements. Content templates. Define templates for different types of posts to ensure consistency. Scheduling posts. Use WordPress's built-in scheduling feature to control when posts go live. SEO optimization. Incorporate SEO best practices in your automatic content to improve visibility. Monitoring and updating content. Finally, it's essential to monitor the performance of your automatically generated content. Use tools like Google Analytics to track user engagement and make adjustments as necessary. Regular updates to your content generator are crucial for maintaining quality and relevance. Conclusion. Creating an automatic WordPress content generator can save you time and increase your website's activity. By selecting the right tools, utilizing APIs, and customizing your content generation process, you can effectively automate content creation. Remember to monitor and update your system regularly to ensure the quality of your content remains high.